The Vangoa 12-string acoustic electric guitar uses a solid spruce soundboard with a mahogany body, giving it a rich, ringing voice and long sustain that stands out from laminated options in this range. Its neck has a comfortable C profile with a gently curved fingerboard and smoothed fret ends, so chord stretches and arpeggios feel controlled rather than cramped even with 12 strings under your fingers. The onboard upgraded equalizer offers precise tone shaping, making it easy to dial in clear, balanced sounds whether you're plugged into a small practice amplifier or a full stage system. Acoustically, the instrument delivers the shimmering chorus effect players expect from a 12-string while keeping the bass notes focused enough for both strumming and fingerstyle work. The classical brown finish with a detailed soundhole inlay gives the guitar a traditional, stage-ready look that feels more premium than many entry-level 12-string designs. Vangoa includes a complete kit around the guitar, so new owners have what they need to start playing and recording without chasing extra accessories.